Hi beautiful people, welcome so much to my channel. If it's your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I download a video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the support, I really appreciate. So in today's video I'll be showing you how I make peanut butter at home, so let's get to it. I'm not putting my gas on, so to put it on, but because my pan is light, so I have to put low heat to reduce. I have already washed my groundnuts. So I've put a little oil on the pan. If it was a heavy pan, I could have just put salt and just wash the groundnuts, put salt, and that is it. But now because my pan is so light, I'm putting a little cooking oil so that it doesn't burn. Sorry, my electricity is gone, but I have to finish this. So you see, I put them in the blender, then I'll start with I don't know how to say it, low, high, highest. That is how. I hope you understand what I mean. So I've started with the lowest speed. I have to do it this way so that I can do it evenly. I'll add a tablespoon of olive oil. Then I'll put it on the maximum speed. I want you to see how it is now. Let me show you. You see, it has produced more oil. The more I blend, the more it's producing more oil. I think I'll have to blend it a little more, then I'll be done, because I don't want it to be very fine. I love it when it has some particles. Oops, I didn't see that coming. I have to cover it. I'm done. See how it is now. It's good for me. It's the way it is now is okay for me. So it's now time to put it in the container. I have a container which I got from a peanut butter which I bought before. I've just been cleaning it. When I do peanut butter and it's finished, I clean it and refill it again. Yeah, so these containers are so important. Never throw them away, especially if you do things at home. You don't have to buy containers. So you see, I have my peanut butter, and I think you should also try and cut costs. You don't have to buy this thing, you can just make it at home. So this will serve me for like a week before I do another one. And I don't even put it in the fridge. You don't have to put it in the fridge. So thanks so much for watching. Until next time, bye bye.